Okay. Andito na kami sa Raymond Beach Resort. That is Alsay and Mami Bea. Ay, Mami Emmy, should say. And Andre. So the others are inside. Let's go. Wait for them. Ito ang island hopping na Tago Beach, Sea Turtle Sanctuary, Ave Maria, Lamurawan. Oh, Baras Cave, Fairy Castle, Ave Maria Cave. So, alright, we're going to our room. Dito ako dadaan kasi hila-hila ko ang...
Hello, I'm on the bridge.
She's on the bridge and going down. So, we are going to find our room 210. May mga guwapito. Guwapito, mga papa. Ay, malapit tayo sa ano, Andre? Beach. Oh. Let's go. So, we are at the second floor east. Looking for 210. Buksan na ang pintuan ng 210. Bakit din mo? Oh. Alright. So, ito ang worth 2,000 per night. May TV siya. May floor siya. Higaan, and then the CR. Are you close our door, Andre? Yan, ganyan kasimple. Ang 2,000.